It's a good morning to you. Welcome to Asaki Online. My name is Zenzele and Ndebele. Today, our program, we are in Pumula, where we are talking about the water problems. We know that the city council dams are 30% full, or almost 30% empty, and there are many areas that are not receiving water, even though there is water once every 120 hours. In some areas, water is no longer getting there, and one such area is Pumula, where people have to rely on the city council bowsers. We talked to the people who were saying sometimes the bowsers don't come as scheduled and they have to spend long hours queuing for water. This is quite a serious problem, taking into consideration that we are just in May and we expect the rain season to start in November. So that means for the rest of the year, if there's nothing that is done, the people of Bulawayo or some areas will face a water crisis for the whole year. We know that the government through Zinwa has provided funding to rehabilitate some of the boreholes in the Nyamandlovu aquifer, and we hope that intervention will help people solve these water problems. We also saw a truck by the Catholic St. Joseph or Josefa, who actually started the initiative to donate water to those areas that need water. And they say that the truck only costs $100 to hire it, and we are appealing to whoever they can assist in hiring a truck or bowsers to help the people of Pumula and many other initial areas where there is no water. As the people of Zimbabwe, as the people of Bulawayo, we can come together and help each other in these times of need.
This is from Christ the King Catholic Church. We men of St. Joseph's of Christ the King Catholic Church decided that as a way of giving, and I do not know how well you know the Catholic Church, but on Friday the 1st of May was our St. Patron's Day, St. Joseph's, who was a worker for the people. So we decided as an initiative to put money together to hire a bowser to come and help those less fortunate than us. So we hired this bowser to come and give people of Pumula water, as we know that water is a huge challenge for the people of Bulawayo. So it is our way of giving back to the less fortunate to say, here's some water, and then we know water is life. So that's why we're here.
How prevalent or how big is the problem of water?
Coming from a humanitarian aid perspective, water is a huge challenge in Bulawayo, not only in the high-density suburbs, but all over Bulawayo. As we know that Bulawayo has got less than 30% water left in the city. So I would like to encourage everyone else out there who's in Bulawayo, who has got facilities for water, to help those that do not have. Because if we do not unite as a black people, no one will unite us.
Udubo lwamanzi lapha ePumula South luyasikhathaza okumangalisayo. Phose ngabona silenyanga ezimbili epompini kungela amanzi. So ukuthi loba khulunywa ngomkhuhlane lo ukhona sikhangelela ukuthi i-chance yethu incane ukuthi singabi lawo. Ngoba siswela wona ukuthi sigeze izandla epompini.
Manje lapha liminyene phela limanga 1 meter apart.
Okwenza siminyane ngoba sesilikhangela ibhawuza nansi omunye uthi ozasithola mbani omunye uthi uzaswela mbani. Yikho okwenza sicine singasa yehlukana.
Abanye bathola amanzi, abanye abatholi amanzi. So dubo amanzi lobuhlungu kakhulu. Amanzi ogeza izandla abantu awakho vele ukunatha kawakho ezindli. Oflash ama toilet vela silawo. So kunzima. Libuya once, so libile ngiyaze buye next week. So kunzima.
Lapha from 4 o'clock. Sachayisa ngo-12 ebusuku silokhu sihlezi khona sabuyela singela amanzi salala singadlanga vele singela yona i-draw savulela khona abantwana kabadlanga asila ukuthi siqondene kule borehole yini baduduza ibholu liyi-1 eziningi zakho so khona sesisodwa abantu baningi kakhulu ukuthi vele awatholi lamanzi akhona plus sinzima futhi
njalo okusihlukumezayo kakhulu ukuthi izindlu zethu ziyadura akuhambelani lamanzi ukuthi asilawo. So besifisa ukuthi ngaye kumbe basigebhela izibhorane zibe ziningi njengamanye amalokithi. Manje isibhorane siyi-1.
Mama yathi ngodubo lwamanzi.
Lapha sithwele nzima ngodubo lwamanzi. Ende sithwele nzima lokuthi sigeze izandla, lokuthi siwatshe, lokuthi sipheke akulamanzi. Sithwele nzima kakhulu. Lesibhorane bona lawo emagodini egangeni yikho lapho esathatha khona amanzi angcole kakhulu abomvu athe gebhu yosiwathola khona. Asifuna ukuthi i-government ibone ukuthi sincedise ngasincedisa ngani angazi bonke ngasincedisa ngani ukuthi sithola amanzi kathathu ngeviki ibhawuza lisilethele kathathu ngeviki.
Vele ezindlini asilamanzi for the past 2 months. So kunzima ukuthi ngaba sincede ukuthi belungise ama-pipe ezindlini ukuthi sivula amanzi empompini ngoba ngcono kakhulu ngoba sithole nzima vele. Ama-toilet endlini the big problem enkulu ebuhlungu sibili. Nasikhathi ngaba silisela ama-pipe nala endlini sivula amanzi empompini.
Uhlupho sesihlangana lalo ukuthi kumele sidingele abantwana ukudla. Asela chance ukuthi sedingele abantwana ukudla. Sesihlala emanzini emthokotho. Izolo sifike lapha ngo4, sathatha ngo12 ebusuku. Namhla futhi sifike lapha ngo4 kunje sikathola amanzi. So indlala yesisibulala ukuthi siyadinga sithini ukudla. Sesihlala emanzini.
Mina ngathi
kuno kuPumula South tanetseka nemvura 2 months tisina mvura isingabudi papombi takatanga tichimirira kuti ichauya manheru isingauyi tikauya pano pabhauza dzimwe nguva unodzoka usina kuiwana because pano rinouya ka1 but kumusoroko rinouya ka2 pana parinongouya ka1 robva zvatopera kana iwo usina kuiwana zvatongovharana zvakadaro.
Nyaya yemvura yakunetsa kuno kuPumula South tatova yautokwana month yese tisitomboona mvura haisi kubuda mutepi and tonzi tolainira kubhauza kuti tiwane mvura tasane zuro takamuka kuma4 makuseni tienda kunolaina uku tikasora tiripo zuva rese until 12 o'clock usiku hakuna bhauza rakauya mvura iri kunetsa mumba memusina apa tiri kutaura kuti tigeze maoko kuti tisabata coronavirus yacho saka kana tisina mvura tinogeza sei matoilet macho utsanana hwacho he uchitonetsa kana pasina mvura saka dei paita something kuti tiwane mvura kuti tigonewo kuti tichengete utano ndo chichemo chedu ichocho.
saka munoti mofunga kuti chii chingaitiwa?
Tizivi vakuru vari kukanzuro kuti vangaita sei maybe dei vawedzera mabhauza kana kuti matepu hatizi kuti sei siri kubudawo mvura matepu because ndo chichemo chedu ichocho kana isiri kubuda matepi ngavawedzere mabhauza kana kuti vawedzere nguva inouya mabhauza kunoku kuti vasatora nguva yakarebesa asati yauya because mvura inenge yatopera.
Lapha sithwele nzima lapha ngendaba yamanzi lapha asisakwazi ukuthi senze noma kukhulunywa ngekorona sesihleli sinamateleni vele asese singasela ndaba la ikholo cause sesithwele nzima indaba yamanzi.
Kutheni kwa ama-mask
Ama-mask asilamali okuyathenga. Asilamali okuyathenga so ikholo sese singasela ndaba la cause sesihlala sinje sinamateleni dinga amanzi. So asila plan ozizayo nxa singayibhounce ngasabuyanga siyavukela esikotho uthola ilayini chakho nale ikiwela amapheyili lesikotho sangikhona laso uzathiwa sifile eklinikhi esinye silaphana eAirport.
Indaba yamanzi ePumula South lapha iyahlupha ngoba sesihlala singalamanzi 2 months singalamanzi. Kale sikhandani isweji la kuyabe kututuza izingcekeza yonke le council uthi ibuye lapha izelungisa ayibuyi ukuzalungisa.
Liyabatshela ukuthi isweji yinkinga?
Sibatshelile akula abantu ababuyayo. So indaba yamanzi ngeke yabona iplan ukuthi ingezelela amalokuzena izibhorani zibe ziningi ePumula South lapho ngoba sithwele nzima ngamanzi.
So liwathola
amanzi amanye abuye ebhawuzeni amanye izikotsho zangikhona ezinye izikotsho zangikhona zifile.
So endaweni lapha kulezi kotsho
singathi lapha izikotsho zangikhona zikhatshana ngoba esinye sangikhona singale duzane ndengwana esinye sangikhona siseklinikhi abantu yabantu zikhatshana la khatshana so kuyafuna ukuthi ngeke bangezelele ezinye izikotsho zibe seduzane.
Singakhaya ukuthi kade simqala ngoMay likhala ukuthi izulizele kuna ngoDisemba ngoNovember sizoliphila njani?
Kuyaba kunzima kakhulu into ofanele ikhansila ngeke yakhangela khona izama ukubona iplan ingezelele izikotsho nxa ukuthi emadamu akulamanzi ke abangezelele izikotsho kwenza ukuthi siphile ngcono.
Mina ngumabheni ngihlala ku13478 khona ePumula South. Udubo lwamanzi lo lukhanya hey sesithwele nzima le yiviki yesibili njengoba ubona lezi ditshi seziqalisa ukudubuka it means phansi lapha kuselanto right. Lezi mulini lapha kunzima, abantu bathwele nzima. Bavuke ebusuku abanye besiya khona le duze kwe heroes egabe siyadinga amanzi. Abanye besiya ukuqaliseni lapha phuma khona le go ashes. So sicela city council sibili kizame la u-engineer usimele kezame kumbe engavala emayadini for 4 days lathi ngapha ke sinika amanzi kwenze ukuthi ama-pipes lawa azahlupha futhi nxa sokublockile uza kuba ngumlando wakhe futhi othi ebuye ezohlokoza antsho yabona kutsho ukuthi yena le into izam-affecta futhi izamkhosta yena esithi uzama ukunceda kodwa ekucineni uzagcina soku-backfire futhi labantu imikhuhlane ngapha sivikela i-COVID-19 enaleyi kodwa kuthiwa sigeze izandla abantu bayageza ngani kungalamali labagulayo kule minye imikhuhlane nje ekhona vele eyayikhona kungakabuyo nalowo esikhuluma ngawo khathesi so abantu labo baphila njani antsho yabona ukuthi ngenye iproblem enale
singananzela ukuthi khathesi ngumeyi sihlutshwa ngamanzi uNovember sizafika njani
ndoda lapha sokusemandleni enkosi kodwa nxa sizwa ntsho sizwa kuthiwa emtshabezi akhona abantu abakhulumayo bona ababasiki bebunda bathi amapipe mancane ukuthi kupontshelwe kula amadamu ekhansili so iqiniso langikhona sikwazi ukuthi umba amanzi akhona kulelelo abalitshoyo legovernment lathi sizwa njengabasiki bebunda so asikwazi ukuthi uNovember sizafika nje ntsho lokhu sikunika kuyumdala
Mrs. Ncube. Sakhamuzi sakhona bakubulawayo ePumula South. Bebalimbona nithwele lokhu vele ngokwekhaya lokhu. Ngoba ekhaya uyangena ithwaga. So lokhu sokumele kungene emganini yami ngipheke ngakho. Ngiwache ngiphinde ngifake isambuzi. Vela kuhambelana. Family of 6. Kunje washing ngibophile so ngimqamela igcwele ngaka. Eyami yamzukulu ekagugu ekababa kumele konke kokho engubalileyo kwanele khona apha emagabheni lamabili into engasiphathiyo kakhulu esenza vele singabi lokuthula siyazibuza ukuthi for iminyaka yonke le oengineer laba bangaka abayini esibafundisileyo behlile ukuthi babone ukuthi inkinga bane ngabenza ukuthi ama-pipe lawa lokhu into ibikade ngekho futhi for the past years idolobho siyalaza asilingena nganamuhla ibikade ngeke into nale besikwazi ukuthi amanzi afika lapha kulomuntu khona but kade sokuthi amanzi hamba into le besazi affecta abantu bengwalongwalo siyale but kade sisikithi la but siyazibuza ukuthi into bane engalungisekiyo buchopho bana abangabusebenzi engineer bakwenzela ukulunga
kodwa bona bake belitshela ukuthi indaba amanzi afika
sisibokutshelana nje akutshelana hey uncema ukuthi ayine ilokhu zenethu lele esithela kilo amanzi awangenanga kulodaka kuthi ukuthi ngama-pipe anjani so ukuthi ingcazelo yangikhona isisuthise ngoba yazi into ingabuya kuwe uyitshelwe uyasuthiseka but singatshelana sibokutshelana nje amanga iqiniso ukuthi kumele so asikwazi siyaqina thina sesizicabangela ukuthi ngezindlela bahlala phezulu komsebenzi avela kusinike ukuthula njengoba nje umnewethu echila ukuthi nansi indaba nale angizwe nje radio sisho ukuthi kuyasa kangaki ngamanzi agijimayo ngizwe ukuthi agijime vela ngabamanzi wangikhona akukuhle sibili akukuhle baba ende futhi ufike ngesikhathi esiqondile sizwe kale sinzwe ukuthiwa khona apha eBhawuzeni umenza abuya nini kangikwazi la kuba neBhawuzeni la kuvela akula ku distance ngisho kuthi ugudu abapheli nxa sokufikile ubese vela ukuthi vele uyakhangela so ukuthi senze ukuthatha ke COVID sembuya la endlini so asikwazi ukuthi into leyi imele sitshele bani njengoba selifikile ke lasicela ukuthi lidlulise lise lapho okuqonde khona ngoba we are not happy sesingani Bulawayo yethu leyasizwisisa ukuthi njani but sicela ukuthi into le abake bayikhangele ngoba amanzi impilo vele lapho kulomuntu khona amanzi kumele abe khona ikho lana isikolo sisakhiwa mbeyini kumele kuqala ukhantu kulamanzi lapho uzahlalisa khona umuntu so sibona ngani ngendlela esukufisa ngayo labo kumele basiyamukele
amanzi ngakhe esweji
okay
ngasebenzisa ukuthelela engadini
okay ulimani kona ngani
ngilima imbida
okay so wena uhlala lo bani
ngihlala lo mamdala lo baba omdala
okay so iloku izimpida leyo uyayithengisa
hayi asoze siyithenge.
Impilo yokudla nje. So wena ubuya kangaki ngapha ngela?
Ngapha mbuya every day ntambama.
Okay. Uzokha amanzi. Okay. Ukhatshana unganani?
Ngizindlu lezi ezokuqala.
Lapha silo uhlupho olukhulu kakhulu as people of Pumula South. As you can see, abantu they are taking water from sewage for toilet use and watering the garden. And it's been almost close to a month without water. That's the problem that we face as Pumula residents. And we are seeking help from City Council as well as the government. Since we are under lockdown, maybe they can assist us with water so that we can maybe have a better life.
Amanzi lawa ngawe, it looks like ngamanzi esewage. So abantu abasaba ukuthi bazathola umkhuhlane.
Abantu abala option abangayenza. Bafuna ukulokhuza lapho kulomuntu khona kufunakala amanzi for toilet use ngaza ke besebenzisa ama toilet without water. So the best plan is to take amanzi from the sewage and use them lokuze in the toilet.
Lapha sesiloduko olukhulu mntanami. Njengokuthi sisedrobheni silama toilet. So laphana siswela wona awukunatha ukupheka. So lapha sesizama ukuthi sondezele ukuthi mbe siye thele ezambuzini zethu ukuze kwanise ukuthi kuphile.
But amanzi lawa ngawesiwage lawa alisa ukuthi bizathola umkhuhlane.
Asibone ngani lokho kuzabe kungcono ngokuthi niza kuyathela esambuzini senzama ukuthi ngokuthi kuhlanze kulokuthi kuhlale kunjalo kungcono.
The water problem in Bulawayo is very real, and we are in Pumula today. And, there is a sewage stream, or there's a stream that flows with sewage water somewhere in Pumula, and the people of Pumula has resorted to fetching water from this sewage stream so that they can use it for their toilets. They are saying that they've not been getting water for 2 weeks. Others are saying they've not been getting water in their taps for over 2 months now, and they have no option but to come to this sewage stream so that they can get water for their toilets, because the water that they are getting from the Bowsers is that water that they use for drinking and cooking. We hope that authorities will find a solution to the water problem in Pumula very soon, because this problem is real, and if we are not careful, this is a time bomb. We might have another outbreak of diseases in Bulawayo. My name is Zenzele Ndebele. Till we meet again tomorrow, have a good day.